Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here at Aldi in the grocery section. Right here, Clancy seasoned popcorn tins, 21 ounces for $5.49. Cute little cans. Okay, right here are the gingerbread kits. They have it in the train, in the house, and one more. Where is it? The village. Mini village. Okay, yes. For $7.85. They have these Christmas tree cakes for $2.58. Right here. They're always so good. Right here they have the boneless spiral sliced ham for $3.99 a pound. They have the double glazed brown sugar ham for $2.69 a pound. Okay, the smoked ham butt portion for $1.79 per pound. This crab rangoon, it is $3.19. Butterball smoked whole turkey for $2.19 a pound. Oh, and this one right here is $28.21. I see another one for $28.10. So that's the range they're in. Okay, right here are the Season's Choice roasted, seasoned, petite, or sweet potatoes for $2.49. Right here. Sweet potatoes right there. And the roasted ones are right there. The extra jumbo easy peel raw shrimp, they're $14.99. I have it in this tray and in the bag, $14.99. Assorted premium flatbread pizza, $5.49 right here. Okay, Mama Cozy's Pizza Kitchen sweet potato crust pizza for $5.95. Sweet potato. That should be good. This flatbread here is $5.49 as well. Wood fire. Okay, they have roasted meals, chicken, and sausage for $6.29. Good little meal right there. Okay, Season's Choice potatoes and green beans in rosemary or garden medley for $1.99. It's in here also. They have these yummy dinner yeast rolls for $4. Alrighty, these butterball turkeys, they're 10 through 14 pounds for $1.07 per pound. So one I'm looking at here is $33.88. And that's the only one I can see right off. Okay, they have the pumpkin pies by Sara Lee for $4.99. Looks yummy. Okay, they had these frozen dessert cakes last week for $6.99. Over here, the caramel, vanilla are the two flavors. Yes, and the smoothie packs here, they're $6.99, 32 ounces. Very convenient. Ooh. Live G-free assorted varieties donuts for $4.99. Oh my goodness, they look so good. Okay, and they are gluten-free. This one is pumpkin, gingerbread, and cranberry. Okay, right here is Sunday Shop snowflake cones for $3.99. Right here. That's upside down, so let me see if I can get a better view. Yes, right here. Here we go. Now they still have this True Whip Original or Keto Whipped Topkin right here on the end for $2.99. So that's good to know. And these are the same donuts from the other side. this cheesecake sampler here. Is it, I'm not sure if this, no, I don't think, no, it's not the same thing. Okay, so we're on the back side of the same freezer. Yes, I think it's the same, everything is the same. Yes, it is. So let's go this way and see what we can find. Okay, the seasoned fries, French fries, they're $2.49 for 32 ounces. They also have the potato puffs for $2.49. They have the crinkle fries for $2.49 as well. And they have the 20-count hash brown patties for $5.49. Alrighty. So let's look at the chicken. The family pack chicken breast, $2.89 per pound. This first pack is $15.40, $14.71, and $14.42. They also have these organic turkeys for $3.49 per pound over here. It has organic on it right there. Okay. They have the chicken legs for $1.49 per pound. They also have they have the chicken thighs for $1.79 per pound over there. Fresh ground turkey is $6.39. It is $85.15. Great deal on that. Okay, now I can move over a little bit to show you the chicken. The family pack in the drumsticks or legs, they're $1.49 a pound. This first pack is $8.27, and the thighs are $1.79 per pound. This first pack is $8.43. So that is on the fresh chicken. Okay, the ground beef right here, it is, let's see. Okay, the 85 lean is $4.59 per pound, and the 90% lean ground sirloin is $4.89 per pound. This pork butt roast, $2.99 a pound. This pork tenderloins here, they are marinated. Well, a few of them are marinated, and then there's a couple that is not, for $3.79 per pound. Ground lamb, it is $5.85. Never had that before. That poke shoulder, it is $2.39 a pound. And it's the barbecue flavor. Black Forest bacon. It is $5.99, 12-ounce pack. It's pie crust is $1.99. They also have the Pillsbury chocolate chip cookie dough for $3.24 up there. This smoked sausage here, 42 ounces for $8.84. Cinnamon roll with icing right here for $1.79. Okay, this is the Bakehouse creation, and the Pillsbury, the same thing, but it's Pillsbury for $3.69. Pre-sliced boneless ham right here for $4.49. chicken, grilled chicken fajita strips, $5.98 right there. We also have this one, the lunch mate, for $3.99. Have pizza dough here. For $1.39. Okay. Cheddar brats here for $3.49. And yes, I think that's gonna be it. Alrighty, so let's see. The cheese is the same as always. But look, this is something new behind me. At least I have not seen it here. In the sparkling water, they have it in cranberry. Oh, okay. See, the color is cranberry. Then they have mango tropical back there. Strawberry lemonade. Okay. For 79 cents. I'm used to seeing the ones that just, you know, just the clear ones. So that's good to know. Let's see if they have any specialty items over here. Okay, we seen all of this last week right here. Ooh, those croissant rolls look so good. Right there for $3.99. Now, I'm not sure if they had this butter or potato dinner rolls for $2.89 last week, but they are here for 12 rolls. Yummy, yummy. Oh, let's look at the flour and sugar. Okay, the flour is $2.12 and the sugar is $2.71. Okay, I know you all want to bake. We're gonna bake some pecan pies here. So they have the light corn syrup here for $3.55. The stevia sweetener pouch for $4.69. They have this Baker's Corners graham cracker crust for $1.25. They also have the mini ones for $2.27. Okay, they have the canned pumpkin for $1.29, 15-ounce can. Then they have the 30-ounce can for $2.69. Okay, the evaporated milk is $1.29 a can. The sweetened condensed milk is $1.85. Carnation sweetened condensed milk is $2.16. Ooh, pecan halves, they're $18.29 for a 32-ounce bag. They also have the 16-ounce bag for $9.39. They have the chopped pecans for $4.69 for an 8-ounce bag. They have shelled walnuts for $12.29, 32-ounce bag. Wait a minute. Let's see. Okay. Chopped pecans, 32-ounce bag is $12.29. Shelled walnuts, no. Well, see, the sign says walnuts, but the bag says pecans. So, let's just cross that. But right here is the shelled walnuts for $5.99 for a 16-ounce bag. They have it also in an 8-ounce bag for $2.99. Oh, look at this cute little ugly sweater kit. $4.99. It bakes 8 to 10 cookies. They have these sugar cookies for $1.95. Oh, the cake mix right here, they're 98 cents. Yes. The Crisco all vegetable shortening for $8.22. yeah. Canola oil is $3.65, and the corn oil is $4.75. Grapeseed oil up here is 100% for $4.99. Extra virgin olive oil is $7. Wait a minute. Okay, let's see. It's $3.29. Organic extra virgin olive oil, which is right here, it is $4.49. They would mix these prices up in a minute. The tags, rather. Okay. This gluten-free pancake and bacon mix here, $1.79. The sprinkles here for $2.99 by Betty Crocker. Hot fudge toppings, $2.29. Okay. Betty Crocker gel food color for $3.88. Okay, sprinkle jars over here. It is $3.98. It is 6 into 1. Oh, how cute. That's cute. Melton wafers, $2.99. Baking cocoa, $1.84. And on and on and on we can go. They have the yeast here for 79 cents per pack. Almond flour for $5.69, 16-ounce bag. Oh, they have the apple pie filling here, guys, and the cherry fillings. The apple filling is $1.79, and the cherry is $2.29. Okay. All right. So I think I feel pretty good about this one, guys. I think I covered a good bit today over here for the bacon section and in the other part of the grocery section. So yeah, that's going to be it for today. I appreciate you guys for stopping by. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification so that you don't miss any uploads that's coming very soon. And again, thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one.